teachers, we are from Madrasah Sanawiyah Negeri 2 Bantul. My name is Mutia Faisal Marzuk and this is my friend.
My name is Muniratu Hidayah. My name is Hanifah Putri Koto.
My name is Natalina Ura Kalista. My name is Nandita Askia Rahma.
My name is Zunali Tohri Mahestri.
We will proudly present the result of our research title, Effort to Increase Independence in Autistic Students Through the Application of Task Analysis in Toilet Training Activities.
Toilet training is the process of learning to control urination and defecation at the appropriate time and place. In autistic children, this process often becomes challenging due to impairment in sensory, communication, and behavioral aspects. They tend to have difficulties following sequences of activities, understanding instruction, and responding appropriately to bodily sensation. Based on the initial observational shock, we found that the student who is the research subject was not yet aware of the performance of the step toilet training and therefore skill required the teacherful assistance. Furthermore, task analysis learning method has not been incorporated into a blended learning program and the toilet training instruction at the school. If the conducting spontaneously is unfulfilled and has not been incorporated into a planned learning program.
From this condition, several identified problems include the following. 1. The absence of task analysis technique implementation. 2. Toilet training activity haven't been designed systematically. Based on the problem identification, the research question of this research namely 1. What is effectiveness in implementing task analysis technique in improving toilet training independence for autistic students?
The objective of the research is to determine the effectiveness of the task analysis technique in improving toilet training independence for autistic students. This research uses single subject research with an APA action design. 1. Baseline 1 is the initial condition before the intervention is applied. 2. B. Intervention is the implementation of task analysis in toilet training instruction. 3. Action baseline 2 is the condition after the intervention is withdrawn to see whether the effect of intervention are maintained.
The research subject is a second grade student at Special Needs School X with an autism diagnosis. Research data was collected through a performance test and direct observation. Data analysis was conducted within condition and between condition to track action in the student's ability in each phase.
The result of the study indicates a significant improvement in the student independent in performing toilet training. In the initial baseline phase, the student require the assistant with almost every step. After the intervention using the task analysis technique was implemented, the student began to complete several steps independently. When entering the school baseline, when entering the intervention was withdrawn, the student ability remains stable. They indicate that the behavioral change was maintained and was not merely a temporary. The low overlap presentation allows confirms that the intervention was provided.
There are two main points in this research, namely 1. The principles of task analysis are A. Breaking down a complex skill into smaller steps. B. Teaching in a gradual, systematic, and structured manner. C. Attending the student's individual characteristics. Toilet training steps were using visual aids to accommodate in students who have difficulty understanding verbal information. 2. Effectiveness of task analysis. The task analysis technique helps students to understand the stress and purpose of each action. This finding supported by Kokila and Whitfeld 2017, who start help the students trained to toilet training activity become more aware independence, more aware of bodily signals, and more active social interaction. This success of facilitated student physical and psychological readiness. Noted by Pahlavi and Basaria 2020.
The supporting factor for this success in study were the presence of visual support, the activity background, consistency, and clear class. From the configuration, I can be confident that the text analysis technique is effective in interesting the independent part of autistic students in toilet training activities. The student who initially require the assistance with almost all steps. Demonstration improvement independent after the systematic intervention was provided.
As we Concord Law used to share, in every broken down small step, there is space for independence to grow. From systematic guidance emerges confidence in every choice. And in intervention will witness a transformation from needing assistance toward taking paid autonomy. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you so much for your wonderful presentation. Now we are moving to Q&A session. May I invite the presenters to Mr. Zahar to ask your question, and the time is yours.
Okay, thank you so much. So, the one who will answer my question, so that question is for her. What was your personal contribution to the project? What was the personal contribution to the project?
From the configuration, I can be confident that the task analysis technique is effective in interesting the independent of autistic students in toilet training activities. The student who initially require assistance with almost aspects. Demonstration improved independent after the systematic improvement intervention was provided.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Zahar, for your question. May I invite the second judges to Ms. Anita to ask question, and for Ms. Anita, the question will be delivered through the chat section, to the chat box. And the question is how your project can involve the parents and the schools. Okay, the participant.
Can I answer in Indonesia? Kami melakukan kerjasama dengan orang tua dan guru di sekolah dengan menyesuaikan program pembelajaran yang telah dilakukan oleh guru di sekolah serta menyesuaikan dengan cara mengajar orang tua di rumah.
Okay, it would be good you answer in English, but I get it. So the qualification is you would collaborate with the parents and the teachers to improve the students, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, to Ms. Anita, is there any feedback? Okay, the next question is how you collaborate with the parents.
Yuk. Yuk. Yuk.
Can I answer in Indonesia? Kami melakukan kerjasama dengan
Before you answer, you have to answer in English, please.
Ya. Ulangi bacanya.
the collaboration with the parents, with doing interview and doing assessment.
The chicken.
The children
Wait.
without this we collaboration with the parents with doing interview and doing assessment the children with autism within behavioral children in home.
Okay, thank you, Miss Anita, for your question, and thank you so much to the judges for your question. Thank you so much to the participant for your wonderful presentation. And the presentation is finished. The participant may leave the rooms. Good luck and see you at the awarding ceremony. Thank you.